Implementation of the Rights of Persons with Disabilities Act, 2016 is still at a dismal stage, the Supreme Court said on Monday while expressing displeasure over the failure of some states in framing the requisite rules. A bench of Chief Justice D.Y. Chandrachud and Justice J.B. Pardiwala was hearing a plea seeking constitution of district-level committees to enforce the act. A voter turnout of 81.6% was recorded during repolling at 11 polling stations in the inner Manipur Lok Sabha constituency on Monday, officials said. No incidents of disturbance or violence were reported at any of the polling stations, an election official said. Pernem police intercepted a Maharashtra registered pickup and seized liquor worth 6 lakh rupees on Sunday evening. The liquor which was being illegally transported was seized at 9:30 p.m. near Nabag BCP, Pernem. The liquor was handed to the excise department for further investigations and action. The Mopa police swooped down on notorious criminal Swapnil Parab, who was allegedly involved in over 15 cases, from Bengaluru and arrested him. According to the police, Swapnil Parab, a resident of Pernem, was involved in many cases registered at various police stations and multiple warrants were pending against him in different courts across Goa. After the heavy unseasonal showers flooded the city on Saturday morning, Panjim Civic Authority and the Imagine Panjim Smart City Development Ltd are running for cover to speed up the work. In a meeting on monsoon preparedness, Panjim City Mayor and Smart City MD, Sanjeet Rodrigues, discussed the challenges faced by the city and outlined their plans to address them. Citizens under the banner Goans for Goa have expressed happiness about the recent circular by MIA on the revocation certificate for OCI cards. However, the citizens have criticized CM Sawant for using the OCI passport issue for political gain. They stated that this issue could have been resolved much earlier, but the CM chose to politicize it to benefit himself during the elections. A portion of the false ceiling crumpled down at Kala Academy on Monday morning due to water leakage. The incident has raised concerns amongst the public over the newly renovated structure and criticized government of total corruption. Panjim Fire and Emergency Services were seen around Kala Academy as the authorities had called for help to inspect the issue. The locals of Davolim objected to the plotting and felling of trees carried by land sharks at Davolim Comunidad land. As per the Comunidad shareholder, in 2012, the Panchayat had taken a resolution to build a community hall, walking track and a garden for the people here, but the land sharks persistently arrived at the Comunidad land during holidays to clear the area for their benefit. Despite multiple complaints, the illegal work is still going on. The Margao municipality has denied permission to the Goa Bachao Abhiyan to hold a meeting at Lohia Maidan on the 25th of this month. This decision was made due to urgent civil and electrical maintenance work that needed to be carried out at the venue. Gaurish Sankhavalkar, the MMC Co., has stated that they have received 5 applications from different parties but have denied permission to all of them. After damaging a newly constructed drain, a developer was found releasing water from a construction site along the DB Marg, Kampal, Panjim, on Sunday. The violation speaks volumes of how the high and mighty brazenly flout rules to suit their interests and are let off the leash by the authorities. In a shocking incident, a gruesome murder of a senior citizen woman Gayatri Marathe was reported at Karewada, Vasco on Sunday. According to the police sources, the 70-year-old woman who was living alone in her house was found dead with a throat slit. Police immediately reached on site and began investigating the matter. Goan farmers are facing a hardship as the overall yields of cashew and mangoes have comparatively declined by 50% this year. As per the Director of Agriculture Department, the cashew and mango season is a bit dull this year. The 15th Davolim Cup, organized by Sporting Club Davolim, has been a thrilling tournament for football fans. And in the quarter-finals, Guardian Angel SC showed their prowess by blanking Rosman Kras Nago Verna 3-0 at the Davolim Panchayat ground on Sunday. Olim veterans emerged victorious against Joe Cookie's veterans by a score of 1-0 in the quarter-finals of the Betal Batim Kala Mogi 2nd All Goa Veterans Football Cup 2024. On a Sunday afternoon at the Betal Batim School ground in Goa. India's 17-year-old Grandmaster D. Gukesh scripted history by winning the candidates chess tournament here to become the youngest ever challenger to the world title, bettering a record created by the legendary Garry Kasparov 40 years ago. Gukesh played out an easy draw with American Hikaru Nakamura in the 14th and final round to finish with 9 out of a possible 14 points in the tournament that is held to decide the challenger to the world champion.